Thank you for watching my first visit in Japan, the first 24 hours. And today we are on the second day on our Japan trip. So here we are in our small hotel in Smile Hotel, Singakuji Station. It's so tiny, guys, but this is Japan, this is Tokyo. And we go across our hotel to have our breakfast, and today we are having salmon water. No, just the normal stuff, noodles, udon, and rice with beef. And today's itinerary is to go visit Tokyo Tower. So last night we went and see the Tokyo Tower from Roppongi Hills at the night view, and now during daytime we are actually going to go on top of the Tokyo Tower. So we're very excited, guys. Hopefully you can join us. Tokyo Tower is located in Minato Prefecture, and lucky enough our accommodation is just a walking distance to this beautiful Tokyo Tower, and it's such an easy walk and the weather is perfect. So yesterday it was raining when we were exploring around Shibuya Crossing, but today is perfect. It's like really the start of autumn season. As we were walking along to reach to that tower, I feel like the magnetic force from that tower calling me in and says, "Come on, Nicklin, let's go in, come on." And you know what, guys? It's $30 per person to go up there, and I think it was free for the kids year 5 years old under. So yes, this is the view at the bottom, and look at that structure. Such a very good structure. And here we are, we went and we'd like to go on to the very top deck. So that was $30 per person Australian. And this is the view of Tokyo. We're planning to go to that Sky Tower, but actually, guys, we did not end up going at all for the whole visit in our first visit in Japan. And we stayed in this whole Japan trip for 3 weeks holiday. So hopefully you can tune in and what else in my vlog, and yeah, hopefully you can have some idea of where to go. So if you choose on the top deck, first of all you can check out the main deck, and then after that have a look around, and then they will ask you to move up, and not much people can go up at all at once. So once they have the specific number at the very top deck, they will not accommodate more of the visitors to go up. And then once that number upstairs or on the top deck goes down, then you can go up. For example, only 20 people can go up at once, and if the 2 persons go down, then another 2 persons can go up. So that was the case, and there were guards in there. And then Christine was having a ball. She loves the effect of all these mirrors, and of course me as well, and the rest of the people. Christine loves singing, and also she loves eating. So everywhere we go, we have to pack her food and water, of course. Although this weather is much nicer than yesterday, but it's still quite hot to what we expect from the autumn weather. And we spoke to lots of tourists, especially tourists coming from Australia, that we are actually lucky to arrive when we arrive, because 2 weeks ago, apparently Tokyo was scorching hot. So today is just the beginning of the autumn, which is pretty good. So back to this Tokyo Tower. After we enjoyed that little top deck view, they sent us to this room with the robot in front, greeted us, and Christine was pretty entertained by that. And there, in that little room, I kind of felt awkward to film, but then it was all about the beginning of the Tokyo Tower, how it was built, and whose idea was it, who's the builder, who's the engineer, and pretty much the history. And after that, we just decided to start going down because we had enough. We did our 360 view probably 10 times or more, so we had enough, and I was feeling hot and I wanna do something else. So we went down, and there it was, lots and lots of merchandise. It's called the Sky Official Shop, and yeah, we're out of the building, and this is the view from the bottom. You have to see this. You have to see this like up close, guys. It's quite magnificent. And we had our photos taken in that view of the Tokyo Tower. And on the foot of the Tokyo Tower are these little things. Actually, I have no idea what it is, but it's probably related to the religion here in Japan. And here comes the night. We are meeting our special friend who used to live in Taiwan, and now they are back here in Japan, and we are very, very happy to finally meet them tonight. So throughout the day, I did not vlog much after our Tokyo Tower exploration because we really did not do much. We just relaxed in our accommodation and then to get ready to meet our friend. Japanese people are very disciplined and they know what they like. So once you're inside the plane, you are not supposed to make much unnecessary noises. So here we are going to Shinagawa Station. That is where we are going to meet our beautiful friend. And here we managed to reach to our meeting point, and look at this food. I did not manage to film everything, but they ordered so much food and they paid for everything because apparently we are their guest. I felt a little bit awkward with that because I just want to probably do half of whatever the price or the cost of that night, but then they really insisted that they're going to pay. So yes, we became friends, guys, because of these little cuties, two little cuties. Because once you have family, you tend to be drawn to another family who has the same age with their kids. So yeah, they are only 1 month apart, and that is, we became friends because of our children, and they are very, very good people. And can't wait to meet them again once we will visit again Japan. So that's what my day on the second day looks like, guys. So thank you so much for supporting this small family and small channel. Thank you.